How to create the sticky effect with repeater items in Wix Studio. So I have in here this particular repeater as you indicated right here. And in order to add a sticky effect to this, just head over and open the inspector using this icon right here into our right sidebar. Now from in there, it should be able to open. What you can do is you can see in here that the responsive behavior is fluid, and you can also choose this into 6 height. We have in here the corners, the shadow, display type, direction, padding. We also have the item alignment as well as the overflow content. But what we need in this case is the position type. So this one, just head over and then click on default and choose sticky right here. Now what this will do is it will make the particular repeater item sticky as we have light. So that's how you create a sticky effect with repeater items in Wix Studio. Hope we helped.